What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run affiliate offers using Facebook ads. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. So you want to run affiliate marketing offers with Facebook ads, but you find out really quick that Facebook doesn't like affiliate links or offers for that matter. So how do you get around that? Let me show you. All right, so let's say you want to run an offer through from ClickBank, and ClickBank for those of you that don't know, it's an affiliate market where people puts their products out there and give you a chance for you to promote it, and you promote it and get a cut from each sale. So a lot of people who do affiliate marketing, they don't have their own products, they don't have their own service that they offer, but they run traffic for other people. It's like being a salesperson for a company, and you get a cut every time you sell something. Exactly the same thing. I personally don't do affiliate offers anymore because I have my own products and my own services, so I don't have to do it. But, I do it organically with some of the software companies that I use and stuff like that. But if you want to run traffic, this is how you get around it. So let's say you want to pick an offer here, and let's just pick this one, Leptoconnect. Apparently, this is a dietary supplement. And basically the average sale is $115, and let's say we want to promote that. Okay, so the first thing that I would do is I click on the affiliates link to check out the offer, get more details about the offer. The first thing that you're going to do, every affiliate offer, you have to generate a link with your own information. So it's called a hub link. So this is your identifier. This is how they know that sale is coming from you. So we're going to hold on to that number. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to build what's called a bridge funnel using ClickFunnels. If you don't have ClickFunnels, link in the description, 14-day trial. That's an affiliate link. Ding! Okay, so you would just go to the cookbook, build your bridge funnel, which is super easy. Let's say, so we're going to go here, generate leads. That's going to bring it down to this. And we're going to do a bridge funnel. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring this up. It's a food dietary supplement. So we're going to use this one because already, so, we will do what's called a freebie or a bait. So I will create a PDF with like secret dietary supplement recipes or something, get this secret low calorie recipe book or whatever. So we click get funnel. Funnel is going to be generated for us in 1 sec. Once that happens, all we have to do is go in here, right? And we're going to edit our page, right? And the first thing that you're going to do is you have to hook up, very important. You got to integrate with your autoresponders. So I like to use ActiveCampaign, which is an email autoresponder. There's a link in the description, and you get a free month trial, I believe. And then what it is you set up, they give you actual email sequences that you can send, or email swipes that you can send to whoever opts in your list, and you will save it and you will bring in your emails. And what you do is you load it up in here, and then if somebody doesn't buy the product right away, you set it up so when they give you their information, this back-end email sequence goes out to them to get them to come back and buy from you. Okay, so you're going to do that by building this bridge funnel. Okay, now the other trick for the bridge funnel is you got to use your own domain. Okay, because again, this is why you're here. Facebook doesn't like affiliate links. So you can bring your own domain over to ClickFunnels, or you can use the one provided by ClickFunnels. I do not recommend you use the one provided by ClickFunnels. I recommend you get your own domain and then transfer it over to ClickFunnels, which is super easy. You would just go under account settings, and there's a section there that says bring over domain, and just follow the instructions. Once you do that, you're going to grab, let's say you have your domain. Right? And the domain here is what you're going to use in your ads, right? But before we go and do that, the other thing you got to do here is the bridge page itself. You're going to click on that, and you're going to edit this page. And in order for them, after they get the freebie, they're going to come here to grab the freebie, and you got to create a nice copy of a VSL or a good sales copy that gets them to click this button here. to download that ebook, right? So once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to use your hub link, right? And you're going to use it in this button right here. So the action here would be to go to website URL and you will post your hub link, right? And then you save that. And guess what? Facebook doesn't check that. So you don't have to worry about it. All Facebook cares about is the landing page itself. Okay, so once they get through the landing page itself and you put your link here, you'll be good to go. So they click here and it's going to send them to the actual offer itself, which I'm assuming it's a VSL. So let's click on it so you can see what it is. Yeah, it's going to redirect them to this page right here, which is a VSL. Right? And trust me, these VSLs convert like crazy. I know it looks super cheesy, super crazy, but trust me when I tell you they convert like crazy. Okay? So once that happens, we're going to create our ad. So we will go here into our campaign and say diet, right? And we're going to go in here, here, and this is a test account, so I'm just flying through it. And then the other thing, to save you time when you're creating your ad, you will go in here in your ad set, and for the targeting, you know, I don't know if you've seen my audience insights videos or whatever, but if you don't want to waste your time trying to find out interest, you can use a tool like Connectio, which is link in the description. Again, see, it's an affiliate link. So I will put diet here, and let's see what interests are related to diets. Oh, again. So let's pull it up, dashboard, and I will put diet. See what comes up. So it goes through here. You can search all the interests available by Facebook. Oh, okay. So we'll do fitness or weight loss or whatever. We'll do weight loss. So we'll do that. And there's my interest. I can do it by size. So we'll grab this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. 7 selected. Let's do 10, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we'll do that. Show selected. And I will grab all of them, apply all to ad set. And just for the demo purposes of this video, I'm just going to grab them manually. So I'm going to copy here, copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back to our ads manager and paste. Okay. So now my targeting is ready to go. All right. Then we go in here, and this is where one of the biggest mistakes is made. Do not, and I repeat, do not put the direct link from here on your ad. Remember, we're going to send them to our funnel. So whatever domain you bought that you brought over to ClickFunnels, you're going to grab from the funnel here, and make sure when you go under your settings, you change the domain. Okay. So after you bring your domain over, you select it from this drop down. It will bring it over. All right. And then we'll go to steps right here, and we're going to copy the funnel domain right here. Just click on that, and then you put that link there. And that's how you get around the Facebook bots, and you can run your affiliate offers over and over again. And the cool thing about using the funnel is that you can pixelate each page. So depending on you can track, what do you call it? You can track all the traffic that lands on your landing page, but doesn't come back. You can retarget them, or you can create custom audiences out of it as well.
Guys, if you like that video, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Help support the channel. And if you want to keep learning, keep moving on, and taking your marketing game to the next level, make sure to click one of the boxes right above me, and I'll see you in the next video.